In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Namecheap invoice, and we'll do this in just under 5 minutes. Now, Namecheap is a popular platform for domain registration and hosting services, and sometimes you need to retrieve an invoice for various reasons like bookkeeping or tracking your purchases. Whatever your reason may be, let's get started on how you can easily access those invoices. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to the Namecheap website at namecheap.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. After logging in, you should be on your dashboard. What we're looking for is the billing option. To find it, look to the bar on your left. You'll notice a few menu items under your profile area. Click on billing and this will take you to a page dedicated to your financial activities with Namecheap. Once you're on the billing page, focus on the section labeled as history. Here you'll find two primary options: orders and transactions. Depending on whether you're looking for previous orders or specific transaction details, click View All in front of the one you're interested in. This will bring up the complete list of records, making it much easier to find exactly what you're looking for. Now let's narrow things down a bit. You'll notice a filter menu. This is where you can really hone in on the specific invoice you want. Choose a date range that encompasses the transaction you're interested in. You can also specify the type of product, like a domain, or input an exact keyword that appears in the product's name. If you have an order or transaction ID, you can enter that as well. Once you've entered your criteria, hit search to refine your results. Moving forward, once you've located the order you need, you have several options at your disposal. On the order page, you can choose to print the order, resend the receipt to your email, or even download a PDF copy directly to your device. This is particularly handy for those who like to keep digital files organized or need to send documentation to an accountant. If you're over on the transaction page, you can also discover the payment method used and the specific order linked to that transaction. This can be helpful if you need a detailed breakdown of how a payment was made. Additionally, you have the opportunity to dig deeper. Simply click on Details to uncover more comprehensive information about any particular order or transaction. Finally, it's necessary to be aware that at this time, receipts for purchases of app services through Namecheap cannot be downloaded. Hopefully this clarity helps you manage your Namecheap billing more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.